In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Windows Copilot chat conversation limit error. If Windows Copilot suddenly stops responding the way you expect, or you see a message related to a chat or conversation limit, don't worry. In many cases, this is just a temporary session issue, and there are a few simple things you can do to refresh it and get Copilot working properly again. First, open your Windows Copilot panel. You can do this by clicking the Copilot icon on your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key and C on your keyboard. This brings up the Copilot interface so you can check the current chat session and begin troubleshooting right away. Once the panel is open, look near the top or bottom of the chat window for the new chat button. In most versions, this appears as a plus sign or sometimes a broom icon. Click that button to start a fresh conversation session. This is often the fastest fix because it clears the current thread and gives Copilot a clean chat window to work with. If starting a new chat doesn't solve the problem, the next thing to do is fully close the Copilot panel. After that, check whether your Windows system has any pending updates waiting to be installed. Copilot features can depend on system components being fully up to date, so even a small pending update may affect how it works. Next, open Microsoft Edge. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Go into Settings and clear your browser cache and cookies. This step matters because Windows Copilot relies on Edge web components behind the scenes. If those stored files are outdated or corrupted, they can interfere with the connection or cause unexpected errors. After that, if you're signed in with a personal Microsoft account, try signing out and then signing back in. This refreshes your authentication token and can help reset temporary usage or session limits tied to your account. If the error still continues, restart your computer completely. A full restart clears temporary background processes and forces the Copilot service to reconnect fresh with Microsoft's servers. It may seem basic, but this step is often one of the most effective, especially after updates, cache clearing, or account sign-in changes. By working through these fixes in order, you give Copilot the best chance to reset properly without changing any